to What's Cooking in the Cauliflower Kitchen. Today I am so excited because I've got some celebrity status happening in my kitchen. So Stephanie here with the guys from Mind Pump. Oh, shit.
That's our name.
You're blowing my mind. So
It's Mind Pump.
Yeah, it is Mind
blown.
all right, so I got these guys here, and we're going to be making a Mediterranean / Greek pizza day, and it is one of our fresh top pizzas.
So that means we don't cook it.
Means that we've already pre-baked our crust, so it's nice and crispy, kind of good to go. It's been cooled and it's rested.
Delicious.
So now we're going to top it. It's not going to go back in the oven.
Okay. So what do we? Okay, tell us what to do. What do we do here?
Well,
hummus
let's
first.
talk about what kind of items we have here. What do we got to work with?
So this is made with a whole head of cauliflower. If I'm not
Just about, yeah.
Here's what I like about cauliflower.
Yeah.
It contains a compound called indole-3-carbinol. Look that up.
Smart.
Look that up. Anti-cancer properties, anti-inflammatory. It helps regulate your hormones. Justin.
That's excellent.
That's good for you.
I need it.
And then what else do we have here? Chicken.
Chicken breast.
Protein.
Yep, exactly.
Good protein. It helps build muscle.
Artichoke hearts.
Artichoke hearts, and anti-inflammatory also.
Kalamata olives.
Healthy fats.
Sweet red bell pepper.
Very colorful.
Some red onions.
Not good for your breath.
No, but still really good though.
But
Gives
it's good
me
for you.
gas.
Sorry.
It's working things out. And then we have feta cheese, basically a Mediterranean blend. We have some fresh parsley and lemon juice.
This is very colorful, very
and hummus.
healthy.
And hummus.
Very, very
Can you
healthy.
talk about the importance of color, Sal?
Yeah, so, fruits and vegetables come in different colors. The compounds that give fruits and vegetables their colors have their own health benefits and properties. So if you've ever heard the term like eat your colors or make sure you eat lots of colors, there's a lot of truth in that. So as we can see here, we've got like little red and orange, some kind of purplish, with a little bit of green, some purple here. This is great.
Yeah.
Yellow.
I definitely eat with my eyes, and we like to say that the cauliflower crust is basically a blank canvas, and so the canvas then is going to be
So you can make like smiley faces.
yeah,
on it, right?
absolutely. So again, using all the colors to me, it has to be I eat with my eyes before I eat with my stomach. So,
Oh, wow.
So you're going to take your
I'll have
hummus.
to try that.
Okay. Do what she says, Justin.
You should eat with my stomach first. So
Take as much hummus as you would like,
Okay.
and kind of smear it all around. Work it around your crust there.
Schmears.
Smear. Yeah.
I've never done this before.
I can kind of tell.
This whole cooking thing is new to me.
I say dump a little bit more in there.
So let me tell you why me and Justin make such good partners on the show.
Is that good?
Because
No, you need a little.
like this is one of the things like he can tell.
Yes, please.
I do the cooking, he'll do the eating.
I do a lot of
He'll do
eating.
the eating.
You know,
And
that makes for a good symbiotic.
we're a team that way, though.
Yeah, no.
It's equally
Yin and
balanced.
yin,
Can I save some of this hummus for later?
Absolutely.
All right, Justin, we got it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow.
See, just
That's
like
a lot
that.
of hummus. We're going to go for
Are
it.
you not liking a lot?
No,
You
it's
want
good. It's fine.
Okay.
How's mine look?
I'm in your world.
It's really good. I like taking it out to the far edge, but everyone has their preference. So again, you're going to take like your chicken breast. I like to start with the heavier items and then kind of work around from there. So chicken breast, you can break it up.
Those heavy hitters, huh?
Exactly.
Boom.
I'm gonna put big chunks of chicken. You need more than just one.
Yeah, you need.
There you go.
Okay, those are your eyes, and you can make a smiley face.
It's a happy pizza.
It is a happy pizza. Good protein.
There we go.
And then again, it's all preference.
Now this looks like maybe 3 ounces of chicken, which is how many grams of protein, Justin?
What?
How many grams of protein? 3 ounces of chicken. What is that? Like 30?
30.
30 grams of protein?
No.
20?
36 ounces.
6 ounces.
Yeah.
You're
Because
asking,
there's
I'm
2
not
of
the
them,
macro
3 on
guy.
each.
You're on the
Listen, we're
spot.
trainers.
Listen.
We know what we're talking about.
Okay.
So you've got 15 grams of protein here, 15 grams of protein there. Very good. What's
Yeah.
next?
Then it's just preference. So I would start probably with, if you want artichoke hearts, maybe some peppers, the olives.
I love artichoke
I like
hearts.
peppers. I'm
Me
going to go
too.
for it.
I'm not a big fan of peppers.
I've become a fan of peppers over the last couple of years.
Have you?
Yeah, I don't like the green ones, but the
Do you
yellow.
like the spicy ones?
Oh, I do like spicy.
You do?
Yep. Yep.
It's an angry pizza now.
All right. So, and again, you're using our sweet red bell pepper base, but now we have a new pizza. We have the pizza crust, which is the spicy jalapeno, which probably be really amazing on this underneath all
Olives?
this.
Can we throw some olives?
Yeah, throw whatever you like. Yeah.
Okay.
I love olives. They're great.
These look like the Kalamata ones. Oops,
They
that's
are
on the table
Kalamata.
there.
Yeah.
Healthy fat now.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little. Now we're gonna get some healthy fat. This is good. And then let's see.
I'm a cheese guy. You're not a cheese guy.
No cheese for me.
So,
I'm
yeah.
gonna go.
But I'm gonna
yeah.
throw some onions on
hands
here.
in there.
Absolutely.
This is more fun than I thought.
I could actually go like heavy-handed with this.
Yeah, I mean, hands on. Everything could be a finger food.
Look at that.
It's a pizza.
There you go.
Let's do this.
Excellent. And then what's the lemon for?
You know,
You just a little spritz it?
I like it it's kind of perky. It kind of brings it all together. I like a little bit of acidity to cut some of kind of the acridness of the cheese.
I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
And
spritz it.
the
I'll squirt it
chicken
on the
didn't
top.
have a whole lot of, other than being a roasted chicken breast, so it doesn't have a lot of like flavor on it. I want it to be more neutral.
I'm going to go with
And
that.
then I would take a little bit of Italian flat parsley, and it, because it's color, again.
Do that. Now.
It's awesome. It's awesome.
There it is. There it is. I think you
Justin
can.
needs some bell peppers.
I'm going from this.
Digestive enzymes for him.
There,
Yeah.
oh, see, now look at that. That just
do
brought it
need
to
it.
life.
Yeah, it looks
I,
awesome.
inherently, I knew that. So
You make a pizza like a kid.
Well, I feel like I am in the kitchen with my son.
kind of am a
I love
kid.
it. All right. So what do you think of it?
I think it looks amazing.
beautiful.
It looks really good too.
Yeah.
Do we get to eat it?
Yeah, I got
Oh yeah,
Okay.
a pizza cutter.
this I can do.
Yeah. You can hear that? Nice
I'm a
crunch.
professional.
Yes. And again, our crust are made with the fresh cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, eggs, and seasoning. 180 calories for the entire, round. So, you're saving on calories. You can load it up and then,
Well,
gluten-free.
we have a lot of people who compete in like physique competitions. They need to get lean.
Right.
One of the best things you can do to get lean or quickly is to reduce carbohydrate intake. And pizza is amazing.
Yeah.
Pizza's got a lot of carbohydrates.
Very tasty.
Not as much with the cauliflower, so it's such a lower calorie option.
Right.
Excellent.
All right.
Excellent.
This is definitely something my kids will eat. Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
got too much fresh stuff on it.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that was really good.
Exactly. So for lunch, dinner, it's a fast go-to. It didn't take you a whole lot of time to kind of assemble that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my
Keep
gosh.
eating.
Awesome.
Right.
So again, welcoming these guys to our channel is kind of opening the corridor for us having, insightful, knowledgeable resources so that you guys can eat healthier and, live a better, healthy life. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe, but we would love to have you, visit us again.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
You guys.